how to make money on Freelancer as a meditation guide. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform or the business owners that come to this platform to hire freelancers. So for example, if I was a meditation guide or a business owner coming to this platform to find or to hire a meditation guide, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to search by skill or by skills categories. And here, let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load, and here you can find the skill you're searching for. So let's search for meditation guide. It sure won't be in the websites category, and it will not be in the writing category as well. We have here medical writing, medical research, and it will not be in the design, media and architecture as well. No, engineering, sales and marketing, business accounting, human resources and legal, product sourcing, mobile phones, translation, trades and services. You have here makeup, marriage counseling, masonry, material coating, millwork, mortgage brokering, roofing, machinery equipment hire. Other, we have healthcare education, motivational speaking, psychological assessment, freight shipping and transportation, telecommunication. And here we have education, academic coding, Japanese, music, health and medicine. We have counseling, psychology, diet, epidemiology, fitness, food safety, hypnotherapy, managed care, medical scribe, psychometric testing, public health. So let's go with managed care, or let's go with fitness, for example. We can consider meditation as a type of training. So here we have hire expert, fitness experts for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see their profiles, and by clicking on see more fitness experts you will be able to see all of their profiles as you can see in here. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one for your own self in order to showcase your skills as well, like those people. So for example, if we checked this man's profile in here, you will be able to know a lot about him, where he's from, his top skills. You can also read his description to know the years of experience he have, where did he learn the skill, the other services he offers. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one, how you can add a cover photo, how you can add a profile picture as well, how you can add the verifications too, how you can verify all of these things, and how you can add your description, your how much you are getting paid per hour. And I'm going to show you also how you can enter your portfolio. The portfolio is very important in here, guys, because clients like to see the kind of job you're delivering first before hiring you. And I will show you also, there is nothing to show you else, because the reviews are not controlled by you, they're controlled by the clients. You can't do anything about them. The only thing you can do is to deliver a great service to your clients, and by default you will have great reviews. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile. Click on Freelancer in here, wait for it to load, and here click on earn money freelancing, and then make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on login. Here let's wait for it to redirect us to our dashboard, and this is the dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your profile. So here in your top right you have this button where you can manage everything about your account and your finances as well. So here you can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bid insight and your settings. And when it comes to your finances, you can also check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, check your transaction history, your financial dashboard and your payment sharing. So let's go to view our profile. We need to make a lot of adjustments to it. So here this is our profile. As you can see, it's very empty. We need first to add a cover photo and a profile picture. In order to do that, click on edit profile and verify your email first. Then you will be able to add a profile picture and a cover photo. Then you'll proceed to the verifications, and here, as I mentioned before, those are very important. So make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers. Verify your identity too, verify your payment method, verify your phone number as well, your email, we've talked about it before, and connect your Facebook account. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to enter in your hourly rate, then enter your professional headline and your summary as well, which is your description where you're going to talk about yourself and your skills. Then let's show you how you can add your top skills. Let's remove this one and let's enter meditation guide in here. Let's remove guide, and it seems like you cannot find meditation in here. Let's just go with fitness. Let's go with physical fitness training. Then click on save to save those adjustments. And when you're done with making all of these adjustments, then add your portfolio as well in here. And same thing with adding your experience, your education, your qualifications, and your publications too. And when you're done with making all of these adjustments, then it's time to make some money. So go to browse in here, click on projects, and then you will be able to see all of the available jobs that you can apply for. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.